Hi everyone, in this short video I'm going to show you how you can use AI to generate some ideas that you can use to help your students prepare before speaking tasks. I often find that one of the most common reasons that students don't do well on speaking tasks is just that they're not as well prepared as they could be. So let's jump in and see how we can use AI to help solve that problem. Okay, so I've got ChatGPT open here, and you can see I've already written a prompt. So the prompt says, my students will do the following speaking task from a course book. Suggest 3 to 5 ways to prepare them to speak more fluently and accurately during the task. So we're just looking for suggestions here. And I have just taken a screenshot of a page from a course book. This course book task is about taking some written information about a museum and basically paraphrasing what's on there for a partner. So I'm just going to show that to ChatGPT and we'll see what it comes up with in terms of ideas. Okay, so here are 5 ways. So one is to pre-teach some key vocabulary and sentence stems. 2, to practice paraphrasing. So get students to underline a few key points. Get students to do some rehearsal, in pairs. So encourage them to try to speak for 30 to 60 seconds without stopping. Listening and note-taking, and demoing the task. So there you are. Those are 5 ways. That's obviously just for one specific activity from a course book, but using that prompt, using a screenshot or a photo of a course book that you've got, you'll also be able to generate ideas for how you can help students prepare.